How to clean an instant pot lid in the dishwasher. The first step is removing the lid. So once the instant pot has cooled completely, remove the lid from the cooker. By unplugging the instant pot and then allowing it to cool down completely, then you can simply twist and lift this lid out. All right, now the next step is removing the removable parts. So for the best cleaning results, remove the parts that can actually be taken off, like the silicone sealing ring, the anti-block shield, the steam release valve, the condensation collector. Make sure to wash that properly. Removing these parts help remove trapped food residue and odors. Now, once that's done, you could place the lid inside of a dishwasher. Place the stainless steel lid on the top rack of your dishwasher. Position the lid securely and allow water to run through it with a regular wash cycle. And then once you're done, go ahead and dry and reassemble the lid together. So remove the lid from the dishwasher, let all the components air dry or dry with a soft cloth, and then reinstall everything you removed and check that everything is seated properly before using it the next time. All right, guys.